my channel. For my new subscribers, welcome as well. I appreciate every single one of you guys that is subscribed to my channel. For today's makeup look, it is going to be on the brighter side. And the palette that I am going to be using for this makeup look is going to be this one, guys, the Glamlight Pizza palette. You guys, this palette is so freaking detailed. And I just love how real it looks. I know if you guys didn't know that this was a palette, you guys would think that it was a real pizza. Because I know whenever I received it, my son was like, Mom, you ordered pizza? And I was like, no, dude, it's my makeup palette. So he actually thought that it was a real pizza. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the inside real quick. Look how beautiful, guys. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I created this look with this palette, stay tuned and keep on watching. What I really like about this palette is the quality and how heavy it is, and then it does have a variety of different colors, so that's a big plus for me. So the first color that I am taking is going to be this brown, and this one's in the name Meatballs. Then for my second color, I will be taking the sausage one, which is this lighter brown. So you just want to start applying this on top of that dark brown and just do patting motions again. And for my third color, I will be taking hot sauce, which is this fiery orange. So now I'm just cutting my crease. So right here in the front, I'm just going in with the white shadow, and I'm gonna do like an ombre effect. So for the center, I'm going in with hot sauce. These colors are really pigmented, and the good thing is that I haven't seen any fallout. And then for the very end, I'm going in with the extra cheese. So for my eyeliner, I am going in with the Suva Beauty Acid Trip. Looks like this. And then I will be applying some silver foils right here. So I'm not going to apply them all over the eyeliner. I'm just going to focus more in the center. The lashes that I applied, they are from Betsy Lashes, you guys already know, and they are in the style I Am Brave. They are my favorite pair of lashes. Okay, so I am all done with my eyes. Now I'm just going to go ahead and start on my face. So because I am a little bit more dry right now, I am going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Glow Primer. This is supposed to keep your skin really hydrated, and it actually really works. At first I had tried it and I didn't really like it because it left my face too moisturized, and I don't know, I just look really shiny and I didn't like that. But I've been mixing my foundations, the Wet n Wild foundation and the Fit Me concealer. The Fit Me foundation. And the Fit Me one is matte. It's super matte, so it actually evens out. For my concealer, you guys know I've been using the Maybelline Fit Me. I like to blend out the bottom part first, and then I'll go back in and blend everything else at the top. I don't know why, I'm just weird, but I just feel more comfortable doing that. To set my concealer, I'm going to use a Pretty Vulgar translucent powder. I have stopped using it for a couple of days because it was drying me out. But I'm gonna go ahead and give it another try. To bronze, I'm going in with the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. And on top of this bronzer, believe it or not, but I've been using an eyeshadow from the James Charles palette, and it's this one. You guys, this color is such a beautiful color to contour, to bronze up your face, just because it's like a cool tone. So it goes really good with my skin. Y'all, I keep hearing noises. I'm a little scared. I don't know if you guys follow Daisy Marquez or are subscribed to her channel, but some paranormal shit was happening to her, and now I'm just like all traumatized. Like I keep looking because I keep hearing stuff. Okay, so now I'm just taking meatballs and applying it right under my lower lash line. And then I'm taking this bright orange, the hot sauce one, and applying it under that one. So for my lips, the only thing that I did use was the LA Girl Clear Lip Gloss, and then I just outlined my lips, and that's all I did. So with that being said, this completes my whole look. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Hit the little bell to get notified, because I know lately YouTube hasn't been showing a lot of videos. So go ahead and press that button. And also, if you guys do recreate any of my looks, go ahead and send them to me. I love whenever you guys send me pictures of you guys recreating my looks. Or whenever you guys send me messages telling me, oh my god, I love this look, I'm gonna go ahead and recreate it on myself. I really, really do like that. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.